What y'all finna get into?
Car crash.
Welcome.
So we're here today. Salt Flats.
Salt Flats.
Don't make no money, that's sad. 2,500 on my shirt with the tags. Let's go. I want it that way. I want it that way. I want it that way. Oh, I want it that way.
So we got this chair for $8.
That's right, baby.
$8. Well, Jared got the chair for $8. He just happened to not unpack it before this trip. Oh! Ooh. Yeah, dude, that's how I'm trying to look.
I did that.
That's like Bridger. Oh, I can't wait for him to see this.
Primo or copper kettle?
Wait, show me that. Primo. Anybody got
It's like
Crown
the sun.
Bridger.
a corona on her head?
Yeah, so the sun is like right.
Anyway, what do you have to say?
I'd say my toes are going to come off of my feet because they're
But who
so
cares?
cold.
Because it's so.
But it's
Bro.
awesome, and I'm so glad I came.
My hands are red and I'm brown.
And it was worth it.
Oh.
And his nails are cool.
Mine.
Hi.
Hi. You don't want to miss out.
I don't want to miss out. I just need a coat. I see you.
Maya.
I see you.
Maya.
Bucket hat.
That's a good song from Salt Lake Flats, baby.
Yeah. There's Brindley. Just show us the hand, the thumb, the index and the thumb. We did it.
Take a picture of him. He looks cool.
Just find a new place
And like oatmeal.
to eat.
We're gonna go eat
You know what else
yogurt.
everybody
Not
likes?
here.
Parfaits.
Yogurt.
There's a
You
Maverick
ever met
right over
somebody that
there.
say, let's go get some parfaits, they say.
What happened?
We got rear-ended.
We got rear-ended. Cam. I know, dude. Camden called the ambulance here.
Yo, you can do one of those TikToks where they go like, and I was like, oh, that's kind of bad. And then I looked and I was like, oh shit, that's not really good either. Have you seen those?